Introducing the LW-370, a high-performance battery-powered welder designed for industrial maintenance, field repairs, and emergency jobs, wherever you need it most. With a built-in high-safety NCM battery, LW-370 brings both intelligence and reliability to your workflow. Forget about fuel noise and heavy cables. Now you can weld anywhere, anytime, with total freedom. Industry-leading battery performance. Massive 2,405 watt-hour battery capacity delivers enough power to weld at least 70 pieces of 2.5mm electrode or 35 pieces of 3.2mm per full charge. Advanced NCM battery module, 3,000 to 6,000 cycles for 8 to 10 years of reliable lifespan. Operating costs are a fraction of gasoline generators. Smart BMS battery management with Bluetooth app for Android and iOS lets you remotely monitor battery health and charge status, reducing maintenance effort. Ultimate portability and user experience. Weighs only 21.6 kilograms. Truly one-person portable. No cables, no fuel. Zero noise, zero emissions. Perfect for green job sites and all environments. Supports both MMA and TIG welding for carbon steel, stainless steel, and low alloy applications. Comprehensive safety, undervoltage, overheat, system self-check, smart fan control, and VRD anti-electric shock features for safe operation. Fast charging, long endurance. Swappable battery option extends runtime and site flexibility. Dedicated 15-amp charger recharges the battery in just 3 hours. Here are a few reasons why every fleet needs an LW-370. 1 integrated battery. Portable, no fuel, no wiring, easy for one person to carry. 2 superior battery efficiency. Weld at least 70 rods per charge. Industry-leading performance. 3. Ultra-fast charging full in just 3 hours. Fully supports a full day's work. 4. Smart Bluetooth monitoring. Battery info at your fingertips. 5. Compatible with various electrodes and materials. 6. Zero fuel. Zero emissions. Save energy and money. 7. Complete safety features to eliminate operation hazards. 8. Simple maintenance, long lifespan, extremely low cost of ownership. 9. All digital current control for smooth and beautiful welds. 10. Ready for complex and remote environments, never worry about power cuts. Leave cables and fuel behind. Unlock true portability and efficiency. A new era of welding begins with Sofimo LW-370.